Hello guys, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I am at Onitsha Head Bridge to show you guys how they suck sand out from the river, like the process of sucking sand out from the river. This job is just too risky. It involves a lot of risk, but Igbo people, they always survive, they always do it, so I'm gonna show you guys how they do it. Just come with me. But before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you always get notified. Let's go. So this hose you are seeing now, they connected it right from down the river. They put it under the river. It was connected under, and they now stretch it up to this place. So all those things you see down there, they are engines, the engines that suck the sand. So many of them actually, because they don't rest over here. They keep buying sand. As they are sucking out, they keep buying. No time. They even work at night, to show you how lucrative this business is. But then again, you ask yourself, despite the kind of money government generates from this place, look at how the environment is looking. Very dirty, very unkempt. Like, you keep wondering, look at the state of this place, despite the money they generate from this place. So I think the government, they need to do better. They need to do better for these guys. At least they should give this place a facelift. These machines are just too noisy, very noisy, but it's giving them what they want, giving them the money, so the noise is worth it. And I learned that they do fabricate these machines right here. I learned it's being fabricated right inside this Onitsha. That's wonderful. So, for those that have been wondering how they suck sand out of the river, this is it. You have seen it today, you are seeing it. That's the whole process. So guys, we are coming to the end of this particular video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video you always get notified. Thanks and bye for now.